Now you have your why. You have your main goal and your action goal. You have SMART. Now we turn this into a simple routine for 30 days. Not a perfect plan, but a doable plan. Because in MLMs, it's usually not a lack of knowledge that makes you lose, but a lack of consistency. People make a burst of effort, then disappear. And after a month, they feel like it doesn't work, even though there simply wasn't a process. The 3x10 plan is a process. Every day, 3 short blocks that cover the entire business. First block, 10 minutes of education. This isn't about studying the manual for 2 hours just to feel productive. It's one small piece of knowledge each day that you'll use right away. One lesson, one note, one thing to implement. If you feed your mind every day, after a month you'll have confidence in conversations, and confidence sells. Second block, 10 contacts or follow-ups. This is the heart of the business. Not posts, not a catalog, not just being active. Conversations. A contact can be new or a return to someone you've already spoken with. The most important thing is that it has to be real contact, not just sending a hey and that's it. It could be a reply to a story, a short message to a friend, a follow-up after a sample, scheduling a conversation, or reminding someone after 2 days. 10 a day sounds like a lot, but in practice, it's 10 short micro actions. That's 15-20 minutes. Third block, 10 minutes of presence on social media. And this is also not about creating content like an influencer. It's about maintaining contact and visibility. One story from your life, one reply to a message, one short "how are you all doing?" One small sentence about the product, but without a catalog tone, because people buy from someone who is within reach, not from a profile that speaks up once a week and only tries to sell. Now, the most important thing in this plan, perfection doesn't matter. What matters is consistency. If one day you don't manage to do 3 sets of 10, don't make a big deal out of it and don't try to make up for it late at night. The next day, you just get back to the plan. 30 days is not a test to see if you're perfect. It's training to make the process feel normal. And one more thing, this plan only works if you write it down. Not in your head, you won't remember. Writing it down gives you the truth. That's why you have a 30-day progress chart. 3 tricks a day: education, networking, social media, and you check them off. It's simple, but in practice it really works. Because after a week, you can see whether you actually took action or just thought about taking action. A mini task for you. Take a 30-day chart and place it somewhere you'll see it every day. Draw or print a simple table, 30 by 3, and make 3 checkboxes for each day. E for education, K for contacts and follow-up, S for social. Start with the first day today, not tomorrow, today. And just one thing, do it in the simplest way possible, without overcomplicating. 10 minutes of education, 10 contacts or follow-ups, and 10 minutes on social media. It should be easy to repeat,